among the characters you've played, अगर समझो आपने एक डिनर रखा है और आपके जो कैरेक्टर्स आपने प्ले किए और आपके टेबल में सिर्फ 10 लोगों के लिए जगह आपको छोड़ के, आप किसको इनवाइट करेंगे और क्यों?
My characters?
Yes.
Nobody's ever asked me this question. What an interesting question. बस करो, थोड़ा मुझे काम पे भी ये एक्टिंग करने दो.
And I just wish you would sing. Can we switch off the camera? Then you'll
अरे नो रे बाबा,
बंद करते हैं ना कैमरा
नहीं,
को.
मुझसे गाना भी सुबह में गाया भी नहीं जाएगा.
सुबह थोड़ी, अभी दोपहर है.
मेरी तो सुबह है.
You made me laugh so much. I was in tears in my eyes. I was just hoping it's not showing on camera. She was born in Ludhiana, but she's made both Mumbai and Punjab her stage. When you see her on screen, you won't see the actor, you'll only see the character. Reviewers may not like the movie or the series that she's in, but they always like her work. They always have something nice to say about it. That's because इनमें talent कूट के बड़ा है. And that's why I think we all love her. So, welcome Divya Datta to the Reader podcast.
Thank you so much.
आपकी character Kamlesh in Chiraiya, she's got a fantastic response.
Yes.
How do you feel about that? How do you feel about Kamlesh?
I think Kamlesh has given me a love that that I think will stay in my heart forever. I knew something special was happening here when we were shooting for it, but this just was beyond my expectations. Wherever I'm going, there are people shouting "Chiraiya, Chiraiya." It's really nice, and then the calls and messages from people known and unknown. I think it's overwhelming. Absolutely.
For those who've seen the serial, you know, in the beginning you will see Kamlesh ji, not Divya Datta, pick up her sari and go and bash up 4 men.
That's true.
For a reason that's very close to her heart. And it's so, you know, the fierceness and the fearlessness with which he does it is pretty amazing. And then you'll see her character change, you'll see her develop. There's another scene in the series, and I'm sorry if I'm giving this away, where where this realization dawns on her that she is not who she thinks she is in the lives of her family, in the eyes of her family. How did you get, when that realization happens, how do you bring that alive on the screen?
I guess, as you rightly said, she starts off with, you know, beating up a few boys. And that's the nurturing she gets from the family, where she feels that she's getting so much love and attention, and everyone asks her, Kamlesh, tum batao, kya karna hai? She's made to feel that. And yeah, I mean, I must say I enjoyed doing those action scenes a lot. It was fun. And they had called a body double for me, but then she stayed and she watched me do it because I was having a blast bashing up people. And everyone was laughing on the set. They said, "Aise hi waste kiya phir to." But coming to the serious part of it, I think it is shocking when the rug from your feet is just taken away. And you don't know where you belong. वो कोई बहुत आसान फीलिंग नहीं है. So to portray that, I'm sure हम सबके साथ कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है. Life may, much that our lives may be different, but somewhere we all, you know, feel those similar emotions, that relatability. And as far as me taking up these difficult scenes, I think once you give yourself to the character and you say, Kamlesh, you take over, I think it's Kamlesh who takes over. So ये जो मुश्किल scenes हैं ये उसके हैं, मेरे नहीं हैं. ये ज़िंदगी उसकी है, मेरी नहीं है. Divya sits and it's Kamlesh, and yeah, for Kamlesh it was really, really tough.
ये जो difficult topics होते हैं, उसे आप लेने से या portray करने से कभी हिचकिचाई नहीं. You've not stepped back from taking on any kind of character if the character appeals to you. But I think marital rape is something that is particularly difficult because it's still, a lot of people don't accept the fact that there can be rape within a marriage. It's like marriage gives you the sanctity to have a physical relationship with the other person, whether they want it or not. So what does Divya Datta think about this?
Well, it's not about what, it's about how. So sanctity, yes, but how do you go about it? Do you treat your partner as an equal? Do you treat that partner with sensitivity? Do you take their consent? Do you see they're comfortable? ये बड़ा ज़रूरी है जो हमें I think when you call somebody your partner, especially a new girl coming into the house, आप मानेंगे नहीं, I'm sure you must be reading all over Insta, every second reel is about Chiraiya. Every second reel is from either a young girl or a woman who's been there and seen this. The relatability has been something that has really surprised us because होता है आसपास, कहीं ना कहीं नहीं सुनी जाती बातें, कहीं ना कहीं, you know, it's not about bashing anybody, it's that there's no awareness. We feel कि ऐसा ही है, like the tagline of the show says शादी लाइसेंस नहीं है, बट जिन बच्चों को पढ़ाया ही ये जाता है कि भाई शादी हो गई फिर जो मर्जी करना, which is what even Kamlesh says कि I have taught this to this guy, so who am I to tell anyone? I have made the biggest blunder. तो वो that's the conditioning we come with, that okay once you're married then it's all good. उससे पहले सिखाया जाता है कि किसी को देखना नहीं, सब बहनें हैं, सब ये हैं. तो फिर जब आप, there's no what do you say, there's no transparency, there's no communication, there's no dialogue. ये सब चीज़ें अब शुरू हुई हैं और and I feel so, I wouldn't say glad, but I feel relieved that these things are being spoken about, and amazing way this has affected people. Yesterday I came back from Delhi, we had an event, and I can't tell you how I've seen women crying, men coming and saying this, so it was equal. It wasn't like, you know, it's about women or it's about men, it's about the society.
You're talking about Delhi where people came up to you. Have you seen that happen in Mumbai as well? Have people reached out and shared their stories with you?
Of course, what I'm saying is, जहाँ भी मैं जा रही हूँ, like I was, where was I? Yeah, on the flight. So this flight attendant, lovely young girl, she said, "Ma'am, can you excuse me?" I said, "Yes." I had gone to use the toilet, and she said, "I just want to tell you that me and my mother don't even talk about this, but after seeing Chiraiya, she and I spoke." How heartening is that? So everywhere, I think the message has reached that talk. Have a dialogue with your parents, with whoever is ready to listen. कई बार हमें लगता है कि ये जो चीज़ है सिर्फ हमारे साथ हो रही है, इसलिए हमें नहीं बोलना चाहिए, और मैं तो ये सीख के आया हूँ कि बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए. तो जब आप बोलते हैं, जब आप अपने लिए खुद खड़े होते हैं, and then there's a sisterhood or a brotherhood, whoever holds your hand, that's the beauty of the society that we live in.
And there were two standout characters for me, actually three, besides Kamlesh, is Arun, because his inability to understand what he's doing wrong.
Yes.
Your husband,
Amazing.
who just without saying says so much, and your father-in-law, who has such a different veneer, and then comes across as something else, you know, when the chips are down.
Yeah.
And that's probably representative of a lot of the kind of men we see in our lives. And it's also the fact that women don't, like you were saying about the air hostess and her mother, we don't openly talk about sexuality or our sexual problems, or these are all hidden under the carpet. Why do you think it's like that?
This is conditioning. This is how you've been conditioned to be brought up. Today I was talking to my house help. I was talking about something about her husband. She got so shy. She was blushing. She looked down. Absolutely. These are things you're taught कि नहीं बात करते. अगर मैं कुछ ऐसे पूछ रही हूँ तो वही कंडीशनिंग उसने अपनी मम्मी को देखा है. ऐसा नहीं कि मम्मी ने बिठा के पढ़ाया है. She's seen her mother do that. Her mother saw her mother do that. That's how it is. That's been brought in. So I'm saying हल्के tweaks अगर हम, as we keep doing with our technologies and everything, why can't we do with our human system? Why can't we add the sensitivity to it and have more dialogues? अब शुरू हुआ. अगर आप स्कूल्स में देखें, you're taught good touch, bad touch, aren't you?
Yes.
पहले पढ़ाते थे, नहीं पढ़ाते थे, awkward feel करते थे. अब पढ़ाते हैं, अब सिखाते हैं. तो ये अगर हम अपने रिश्तों में भी ले आएं, especially the relations that are the closest to you, how ironical is that कि वहीं dialogue नहीं होता है.
Also, you know, like a lot of us, I think there's no woman who's not faced some kind of sexual harassment.
Yes.
आप समझो, पहले आप बस में जाते हो या एट द वर्क प्लेस और एट होम, कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता है. but we don't talk about it. We don't raise our voice and say ये मेरे साथ हुआ है. There's a sense of shame associated with it. So, as Kamlesh and as Devyadatta, what would you say to urge a conversation in that direction, to urge openness?
So I'll give you an example. When I was in college, I think first year, sometimes I would travel by bus. And if I missed my school bus, then I would travel by the regular bus with my granny. And she was a teacher. So I would sit, and there was this innocence, and then you're also a protected child. आपको ये bad touch की आदत नहीं होती, आपको नहीं मालूम होता. This guy came and he put his hand here. And so I'm looking, and how naive was I? I'm thinking, maybe because the bus is so crowded, he skipped it. He forgot to lift it. And then I felt uneasy. And then I just meant that he wouldn't move the hand. And then I quickly held my Nani's dupatta. And she saw and she removed it. Now I saw her removing it. Now I knew that this was not supposed to be. My innocence there gave me some knowledge कि भाई ऐसे नहीं होता है. The next time somebody, me and my cousin sister were standing, and a woman always has an instinct.
Yes.
तो कि कोई तो है. There was this guy coming in, and I knew he's going to pinch her. And because I had seen my granny look over me, not that she told me कि तुम्हें भी कोई मिले तो ऐसे करना. It comes. So it follows, that conditioning happened. You have to look over somebody you love. And the moment that guy came, I held his hand like that and I whacked him right in the middle of the street. Now I'm a petite girl. सब और उस वक्त सब मोबाइल्स लेके नहीं खड़े होते थे कि आओ फोटो. उस वक्त कहते थे क्या हुआ बेटा क्या हुआ, ऐसे होता था. और वो होना चाहिए कि अगर आप कुछ होते देखें, आप आएँ और मदद करें, बजाय कि आप मोबाइल्स उठा के इसको कर दें कि अरे देखिए क्या हुआ. डोंट डू योर रिपोर्टिंग्स. वो जिनका काम है वो करते हैं. जो आपका सोसाइटी का काम है वो ये है कि अगर किसी को मदद चाहिए तो आप मदद करें. और वो लड़का ऐसे भागा, तो आई एम सेइंग ये चीज़ें सिखाई नहीं जाती, आप सीख लेते हैं. सो अगर ऐसा ही हो तो lives would be easy. Now I could hold my Nani's dupatta. I could communicate to her rather than just sit like that. टाइम लगा मुझे, लेकिन मैंने पकड़ा वो दुपट्टा कि I need help. When I asked for help, she helped. So वही बस उतना ही तरीके अलग हो सकते हैं, लेकिन मदद मांगनी चाहिए.
Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you were 16 when you started your first film.
No, I was 17 and a half.
17 and a half.
16 में पढ़ रही
remember
थी.
anything of that experience? Your first few days on the set, वो करना.
I was excited because you see, when you want to really do only that all your life. Ever since I was 4, I wanted to be an actor, and suddenly you're in front of the camera. It's happening. Your dreams coming true. I was a jumping little girl, and I remember once Sunil Shetty told my director, he said, "You know, this heroine is nice, but she doesn't sit." So why is she jumping around all the time? How do I tell him that I was ecstatic about doing what I really wanted to do? And I think fortunate people who get to earn out of a profession they really are extremely passionate about.
And with your first salary, what did you buy?
I think I gave it to mom. I said, just keep it for me. And she opened an account for me. And I just felt grown up. अब मेरा भी account है. मम्मा से पैसे लेते हैं, पहली बार आपका खुद का account.
I was just looking at IMDb and you've done over 140 films.
Now 200, I think.
200?
Yes.
Wow. Then this is a very difficult question.
Please
What are the
ask.
3 films that are closest to your heart?
You see, every film gives you something. And I would say, if you say learning experiences, Delhi 6, Veer Zara, Bhag Milkha Bhag. I can name some shows as well. Bandish Bandits, and of course, Chiraiya. These 5, if I may name a few. I have learnt a lot, unlearned and learnt. Unlearning is very, very difficult. जब कहीं आप जाते हैं सब कहते हैं अरे आपके लिए तो बहुत आसान होगा. It's a very annoying line because no, that's a new role for me. I am trying to sink into it. I'm trying to give myself to that role and say, "Ab tu kar." That takes a while to find that role and say, "Okay, now go live this life." I'm nervous, and I love that nervous energy. And to go on a set unlearning what you have learned and be a student again isn't an easy but a very interesting process.
ये आप हर रोल के लिए करते हो?
जी, मैं हर role
अनलर्न एंड लर्न विद
You
एवरी
got to, because if you carry your baggage तो आप पीछे गिर जाएंगे. इतना भार लेके कहाँ जाएंगे? नया डायरेक्टर, नई फैमिली, नया यूनिट, अपने आप को नई तरह से देखने की भूख. हर डायरेक्टर अलग होता है. आप जो मुझे सीन समझाएंगे आप अलग समझाएंगी, वो अलग समझाएंगे, ये अलग समझाएंगे. तो उनकी तरह का करने का मज़ा अलग. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स यू ऐड योर ओन एज वेल टू मेक इट डिफरेंट. This I learned a little later in my life, that I got to leave a legacy. I want to be very proud of my work, and I want people to be very proud of my work. When I look back, I must say, and I'm glad it is happening, when people say we love your choices, it isn't easy to say so many no's. And because they're all good projects, but your heart knows that you might not just enjoy it. You want to do something else. So then follow that gut and wait for that something else. And keep working. ऐसा नहीं कि बैठ गए अब होगा तो होगा. मेहनत करते रहें, कर्म करते रहें और वो आएगा. But it's very important that you're excited, that you're nervous, as you said. That nervousness is very important. And that makes a good copy.
I think this was something towards which Aditya Chopra guided you.
Yes, because I had signed up, like, you know, when you're rejected a lot and then when you're suddenly accepted, you want to take it all. वो भूखे को एकदम सबसे सब मिल जाए आपको, वो वैलिडेशन मिलती है कि अरे यार अब तो सब मिल गया, तो ले लो ये भी ले लो वो भी ले लो. And then one fine day I coincidentally went and met him, and he said, why are you signing so many films? So I was like, Arey, you should be happy. You know, that was a time when everyone was signing so many films. And he said, listen, you're a very good actor. You better leave a legacy. So that hit me hard, really. And I decided I'll only do stuff that I can jump upon. That I can jump on my sofa and say, hey, let's do it. And that's been the mantra ever since.
ऐसा भी है, at least with, you know, not at least, but ऐसा भी है कि with your fan club, with people who love the way you act, they feel कि आपको आपका due नहीं मिला है. The industry has kind of held back a little bit in not fully exploiting this talent powerhouse that you are.
We can't say that anymore with Chiraiya coming in. But I agree with you. You know, I have received, if I may say, so much love from the audience. So much love from people who see my work, even within the industry, even outside it. But what happened, जिन फिल्मों में मेरे roles बहुत ही, what do you say, author-backed होते थे, वो फिल्म्स या तो छोटी होती थी या वो रिलीज़ होके ज़्यादा नहीं चलती थी. ऐसा होता था. या फिर जो फिल्में बहुत बड़ी होती थी और सब देखते थे, उनमें of course I had beautiful roles and I have received a lot of love and respect for those roles. But they were not, the spotlight wasn't me.
Exactly.
It was somebody else. I made my own place in that spotlight के बीच में. वो जो एक रोशनी आ जाती है ना कि वो देखो वो भी दिख रही है पर वो भी अच्छी है, हाँ. तो वो लोगों को उसकी एक रिस्पेक्ट आई कि even though the spotlight is not on her, she's still shining. So I think now with Chiraiya, if I may say so, with an author-backed role, which every household has seen, it's somehow come to me, and I'm so grateful. And I think वैसे भी after my national award happened, people stopped saying that. Anyways, मैं बहुत नखरा मार के काम चुनती हूँ. तो मज़े तो मैं पूरे करती हूँ. Or and I think I'm loved, so I should be grateful. And now with this, anyways, I think that sentiment I think should rest in peace.
It's good you brought up the national award. What was that like? जब आपको national award मिलता है, वो experience कैसे होता है? And what was it like going there and that whole, you know?
I remember this is something I'd always wanted to do when my mom was there. But हर चीज़ का अपना timing होता है. And the very next year, I mean, I was packing my bags to go for a shoot. And I think they were announcing the awards that time. And I got a call from a journalist. And she said, listen, switch on the TV right away. So I said, what happened? She said, just switch it on. And they were announcing my award. And then another journalist called and another. I was like, they are happier for me than I am for myself, because I think somebody just feels long due. And when you finally get it, it feels beautiful. And I remember my brother and my sister, both of them came with me for the awards. And there was no music. My brother just took my hand and he said, let's dance. And we just jived for a bit. And it was our dance of success. It was our dance of celebration. And I'm sure my mother was watching somewhere. But these things, I think, it's so beautiful that when you're appreciated with this honor, I think your perception with people changes. It 100% does.
Your mother's played a huge, huge role in your life. And what role has she played behind making you the actor you are, behind helping you to, step out of the role and the set and actually have your downtime and then go back with a fresh mind and a fresh heart?
See, I've seen her all my life as a single mother ever since I was 8. I lost my dad. And so what I saw of her was that she would go face all the challenges of life. She would come back home and be the child with us because we were chotus. And she would say, chalo dance karke aate hain, chalo masti karte hain. And then I would think, but isn't she coming from a very stressful, office day to day and all that? But none would reflect on her time with us. She would do masti, she would do all the fun. And I think, again, this wasn't taught to me. I picked it up from her. That life happens, but you don't stop enjoying it. You got to not take yourself or who you are very seriously. Masti karte rehte hain. I find my time. I will do all the normal things. Yesterday, we went shopping and I was like totally covered up. And I said, I want to go have khana, that dosa in the restaurant. And everyone said, tu pakdi jayegi. I said, koi baat nahi, pakde jane do. Cover karke kone mein jaake bathi. But I enjoyed it. So why should I stop doing something because of something? I will do things that I love. And I will so that is what I'm saying, that to disconnect from these things is what I learned from my mother. And be yourself and enjoy each moment. And then go back to work with full vigor, full rejuvenation, as you are and no pretense.
So you're a very interesting girl gang in the industry.
Yes.
And you all seem to have a lot of fun together. So what's that like? Everybody tells a girl that you should always have your girlfriend. Your girl gang is a very important part of your life. Tell us about your girl gang.
See, this is a new thing now. पहले हमें क्या कहते थे? The two actresses can never be friends. Or this was like, that seed was put in our system. So even if you met a girl and you thought, I think I'll really get along very well with her, but because you've been told two actresses can't be friends, you would be like, hi, and then that's it. But that gradually has changed. I mean, you have people like Shabana Azmi who says, come on, let's just make a girl gang and celebrate the sisterhood. And it's such an amazing concept to have all these like-minded women who celebrate life, if I may say, together. And that's beautiful. And I have other girl gangs as well who are not filmy, who are there for each other, holding up. एक आवाज़ से पता कर लेते हैं कि आप उदास हैं, कि आपको किसी को सुनना है. I think we need that little thing where somebody listens to you, your silences, your sadness. And who better than your sisterhood?
मतलब आप करते क्या हो when you all catch up? What is the kind of
That's
masti you do?
personal, but yeah, we do a lot of masti. We do on everything. As I said, it's life you celebrate, and we actually pick up moments and have fun with.
Shabana ji is a very important person in your life.
Yes, she is.
And how has she helped you as a person and as an actor?
I've grown up watching her and saying, I'm amazed with how she balances her work, doing all the amazing work that she's done with films like Earth, Mandi, all those, talk about them, Shatranj Ki Khiladi, all these, and then an Amar Akbar Anthony, and then a Parvarish, I'm like, is she the same actor? But that's amazing. So I grew up on that, and then the first time I worked with her, it was like very, very nervous, but very excited. And I was performing a Kathak dance in front of her, and I ran to save my life so that, I didn't even want to see that 1% chance that maybe she didn't like it or something. So I was a child, just ran, and she just called me back. She said, "Come here," and I went back. She said, "You were good," and I was like, "Yay!" She's telling me you're good. She has a beautiful quality about lauding and encouraging for the right reasons. To get an appreciation from your senior, who you really look up to, you will never forget, and it instills so much confidence in you that you would
So
not.
true.
It matters, and again, this is not something she'll tell me. अच्छा इसको आगे pass on कर देना. I'll naturally do that because I have experienced it. I know what it feels like to feel belonging to an industry. Where she held my hand and said, "Hey, come for the holy party. Meet Javed Saab." अच्छा लगा. I mean, it was nice that you are a part of somebody's life, and of course, then we worked together and the bond grew stronger. That's different. But when you begin your career, and if there's somebody giving you a hand, I think that's something you'll never forget.
If I'm not mistaken, you're a trained classical dancer,
I
or
am.
you learn? Yes.
Yes.
So, how come that part of you hasn't been exploited so much?
अब ये तो भाई सबसे पूछा ही नहीं मैंने मैंने डांसेस तो बहुत किए हैं कितनी फिल्मों में आप वैसे क्लासिकल डांसेस होते हैं नहीं होते हैं आई डिड दैट इन उमराव जान आई डिड दैट इन 1 or 2 more films I have used it. Train to Pakistan, I used it a bit. Abhi, the other day, that event was there and I was hosting it, and there was a Kathak dance happening. And I was dancing behind stage. It comes, it just happens. And even in Chiraiya, I've enjoyed choreographing my own dances and just dancing away to glory. It happens all in good time.
And in the holy parties.
And
the
holy
Diwali parties.
Yes. Yeah.
Coming back a little bit to the films again, you've seen like a couple of father-son jodis. You've seen Yash Chopra ji and Aditya Chopra. You've seen Amitabh Bachchan ji and Abhishek Bachchan. So can you talk a little bit about them, your equation with them, and what you got from them, what you gave them, maybe?
These two jodis that you've spoken about are extremely special to me. I have, as you must have seen my interviews or something, I always fantasized about being a Yash Chopra heroine, and finally working with him was like a dream come true for me in Veer Zara. But who also held my hand was Adi Chopra, right from my dialects to listening to it and saying, no, not this, because he wrote Veer Zara. He said, not this one. He remembered which rehearsal was nice. He wasn't recording it. He said, the 5th one you did know before, where you did it like that, maintain that dialect. So those things, and these, even when we finished the films and I did another film with them, Aaja Nachle, I would just go to the office and just meet Yashji and meet Adi. पहले उधर जाती थी, फिर उधर एक कप चाय पी के दोनों के साथ आती थी. And to discuss life with them, it just came up like, he's the man who is one of the reasons I'm in the industry, and I'm sitting right in front of him, chatting my life out with him, and he's all ears. So these are gems in your life that you always cherish, and then to get something like a pearl of advice from Adi like that, what I just told you, these things stay with you. And talking about Mr. Bachchan, I think he was the reason that I entered the industry. He was the first person I saw and his magic, and I was absolutely mesmerized seeing him on screen, and said, जो भी ये कर रहे हैं ना, मुझे इनके साथ में वहाँ खड़े होकर करना है. So again, like Shabana ji, as I said, he had that, and same with Yash ji. These people have that grace and that generous heart that they make you feel special. Shahrukh does that too. I mean, he invited me for Holi Called, and I said, this baritone voice, it has to be Mr. Bachchan. And I skipped a beat, and I said, Nene, how will I talk to him? And he said, Aap hamare ghar aaye. How amazing does it feel? And when I invited him to launch my mother's book, which I had written, he just said, "Tell me where and I'll be there." So you feel these blessings. You feel how amazing is this, that you are an institution, you're a megastar, not just because of the magic that you create on screen, but because who you are as a person and what impact you have on people because how you are with them. And about Abhishek, I would say, oh my God, I absolutely adore him. And we have this thing of calling each other favorites. And he is my favorite. I think he is a fabulous actor. And he is absolute fun and a very sensitive guy.
You've also worked with, like you're talking about Shah Rukh Khan, Farhan Akhtar, Rishi Kapoor ji.
Yes.
Can you just tell us a little bit about them from your eyes, from your lens?
You know, when I was chotu, you always want to be someone's heroine, right? So I wanted to be Rishi Kapoor's heroine because I loved the romantic image that he had and the songs he danced on with Neetu ji, Khullam Khulla Pyar Karenge and all this. Like, Ari, I also want to dance like that. I was a chotu. And then I got to work with him. We did a film called Chalk and Duster, and I saw him dub. He just फट से did something and he said, इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं, इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं. And he again has this thing. He says, तू ना कमाल है, चल साथ में काम करें. तो वो आपने तो यूं ही बोल दिया, लेकिन मैं जो नाचती गाती घर गई हूँ ये सुन के कि ऋषि कपूर ने मुझे ये बोला है. These are, I mean, things that are there for life, right? And I think he had that zest for life. And he now was really having a party with all the different roles that he was doing. And you could see that enthusiasm on his face. And I remember I last met him at Prithvi. And we chatted so much. And again, he said, "Chal saath karte hain kuch kaam." And I think he celebrated life, and you'll just feel very amazed how each moment has been celebrated and lived like a Kapoor.
इन लोगों के अलावा ऐसे कभी आपके साथ हुआ है कि आप सेट पे गए हो, आपको पता है, या you met somebody and you suddenly आपकी सांसें रुक गई कि my God, I'm in the same space, like एक total fangirl moment हुआ है आपके साथ?
रेखा जी, और कौन, दिलीप साहब. दिलीप साहब के साथ I remember my mother was total crazy fan of Dilip Saab, and we were at a party and she said, तू ना मुझे इनसे तो पक्का ही मिला दे. And I've grown up seeing how crazy she is about him. Every black and white film, every other film, देख, आँखें देख, silence देख, ये देख. So, and then he's there, right there. So I just held her hand and I took her there. I said, Yusuf Saab, this is my mom. And she was jumping away. And I'll never forget a day when we were at Mr. P.R. Chopra's house. Ravi ji had organized a colored screening of Naya Daur.
Lovely film.
Yes, and I was fortunate to have been invited. Very few people, about 20-30 people. So of course my mother had to come. said, तू इधर तो अकेली नहीं जाएगा. I said, बिल्कुल नहीं, blasphemy हो जाएगी. तो वहाँ दिलीप साहब, विजयंती माला जी, they were all sitting there, and my mother, वहाँ film चल रही है, and my mother's looking there and looking at them, and I'm looking at all of them. It was such a joy, a fangirl thing, and also sometimes becomes very surreal. कि हो रहा है क्या? ये खुशी जो मेरे माँ के चेहरे पे है, मेरे चेहरे पे है, और उनके चेहरे पे है, वो वाली कलर वर्जन में देखना. There's something beautiful.
If you had to invite among the characters you've played, अगर समझो आपने एक डिनर रखा है और आपके जो कैरेक्टर्स आपने प्ले किए और आपके टेबल में सिर्फ 10 लोगों के लिए जगह आपको छोड़ के, you can go below 10 also if you like, but आप किसको इनवाइट करेंगे और क्यों?
My characters?
Yes.
Nobody's ever asked me this question. What an interesting question. देखो, अगर मुझे थोड़ा स्पाइसेस चाहिए लाइफ में, तो फिर I'll call Rohini from Dhakar for sure. एक कुर्सी पे उसे बिठाऊंगी, उसके साथ वाली कुर्सी पे चॉक एंड डस्टर की जो वो हैं द एंटागनिस्ट, उनको बिठाऊंगी, फिर बिठाऊंगी जलेबी को. इन तीनों को एक साथ बिठाऊंगी. I'd like to see the fireworks and Babu Moshai, Bandookbaz, the antagonist I played. So all these antagonists will sit on one table, and I would love to see who wins. And otherwise, I think I'll make Rosie Miss sit on one place, Badlapur one place, and Isri Kaur one place, and Shabo one place.
कॉन्वर्सेशन ज़्यादा इंटेंस कहाँ पे होगा ये टेबल पे?
जब कमलेश आएगी.
Have you ever had a moment, you know, or a character that you've played who you've been really uncomfortable with, but you've been very happy with how you played the character?
Rohini from Dhakar wasn't me at all. Chalk and Duster wasn't me at all. Very uncomfortable because I had to mouth very uneasy lines to Shabana Di and everyone. And then that's where, you know, these legends come up and tell you, listen, तुम अपनी लाइन सीधे से बोलो, इसमें इम्पैक्ट होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So yeah, I guess. But somewhere then the role takes over. वो एक हिकअप आता है as Divya, but then the role takes over.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट्स आते हैं and you're saying that now, you know, you've made up your mind many years ago that only roles that do a kind of gudgudi in your heart are the kind of roles you'll pick up. तो ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट आता है और देखते हैं रोल बहुत अच्छी लग रही है आपको, 40 के पेज के बाद है, suddenly the characters, you know, somewhere in the background, not very important anymore. The initial thing really excites you. ऐसा होता है, do you feel like picking up the phone and saying, यार कुछ तो करो, इतनी अच्छी स्टार्ट की है कैरेक्टर की?
Yeah, I do that. और वो करते भी हैं. क्या होता है ना, जब आप पूरी फिल्म लिखते हैं, कई बार कुछ चीज़ें आपसे मिस हो जाती हैं, बट आई एम सीइंग एज एन एक्टर, आई एम सीइंग एज द रोल, एंड से अरे ये हमने कैसे मिस कर दिया, यू आर राइट, इसका ये आर्क होना चाहिए, एंड देन दे ब्रिंग इट बैक लाइक दैट. तो वो होता है,
कर देते हो.
पर मैं कुछ मतलब मुझसे पूछा जाएगा तो मैं बताऊंगी. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ माय डायरेक्टर फ्रेंड्स आस्क मी, इवन इन फिल्म्स दैट आई एम नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ, बिकॉज आई एम सीइंग इट एज एन ऑडियंस, कि अगर आप लेकर गए हो, इतना इंटरेस्टिंग स्टार्ट दिया, आगे भी तो लेकर जाओ, इसका ग्राफ तो पूरा करो. ग्राफ पूरा करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
सो विल यू टेल अस वन एग्जाम्पल?
नो.
About, you know, there's something about you that, this is the first time I'm meeting you, but when I see your pictures, when I see your videos, there's something very, like a joyous aura, you know, and people around you are also laughing, people around you are also happy. तो ये कहाँ से आता है to be able to give so much, to make people around you comfortable, to make them happy, to make them laugh?
So sweet, thank you. It's not an effort, again, as I said. This is what I've seen around me. This is how my mother brought me up. Happy. अगर मैं स्ट्रेस होके स्कूल से आई हूँ तो मस्ती हो रही है घर में, तो भूल गई स्ट्रेस कि क्या हो रहा है. I think somewhere you pick up those things, and I just feel everyone comes with so many stresses of their own. उसमें और second बात क्या है कि maybe because of the roles I do, people get slightly intimidated initially. So it is, the onus is on me to break the ice. पहले मैं सोचती थी जब ये बोलेंगे फिर मैं बात करूँगी, अब मैं सोचती हूँ पर मैं क्यों वेट कर रही हूँ ना, इंटिमिडेट वो हो रखे हैं तो उनको ठीक करो. तो यू हैव टू टेक दैट एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप, एंड द मोर joyous the atmosphere is around, the more fun you will have on the set. But yes, I am quite a workaholic that way also. तो जब हम काम करते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं तो बहुत मस्ती करते हैं.
तो कुछ ऑफ दी सेट्स एनेक्डोट्स बताइए ना, ये मस्ती वाली.
ऐसा जेनेरिक कैसे बता दूँ?
ठीक है, आप वीर ज़ारा से बताइए. That's one of your favorite films.
Mastis, I think we would, some I've already spoken about with Shahrukh and everything. I've spoken about those. But I do remember कि हम लोग सेट्स के बाद क्रिकेट खेलते थे और हम सब I used to do the fielding. क्योंकि मुझे I was good with my catches, very good.
तो लड़ाई होती थी कि आप कौन से
बहुत पॉट्स तोड़े थे हमने होटल के, हमें कोई कुछ कहता नहीं. And I think that's where the smile works. And I say sorry. And then, but वो जब चीज़ें आप करते हैं, even Shyam Benegal sets, खास तौर पे I would like to say, so much fun we used to have. शूट करके थक के गए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी Shyam Benegal would ask, do you guys want to have dinner? And then we would have dinner, or we would go out somewhere, जहाँ बातें करते हैं आप एक दूसरे से. And I remember मैंने पता नहीं क्या ले लिया था or something. I ate and I was so full of energy and I was dancing away and I was new that time. And everyone's looking कि इसको क्या हुआ इस लड़की को. But suddenly they all became very protective of me. आज भी I'm the child for them. कि अरे इसको मैं संभालूंगा. वो जिस तरह से आपके रिश्ते बन जाते हैं, वो सेट्स पे ही बनते हैं और शूट के बाद बनते हैं. और that's amazing how you have a chemistry with each other. We used to cook together, we used to dance together, do so much masti. वो बड़ा ज़रूरी है. It starts translating on screen, that chemistry.
Have you ever struggled for chemistry with anybody?
How can you struggle for chemistry? It's
I don't know
either
who I'm
there
asking you.
or not there.
तो अगर नहीं है और एक्ट करना पड़ता है and
हाँ,
show
तो
that
फिर आप
chemistry.
काम कर रहे हैं ना, तो करिए.
अच्छा, like that.
हाँ, तो करिए और बैठिए. फिर जाके अपने आप से बोल लीजिए जैसा चाह रही थी वैसा नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन ठीक है. I have to do my bit. But I tell you something, when you're doing your bit correctly, the chemistry will pass on. It will. I mean, if it's not gone 120, 99 तक तो जाएगा. चला जाएगा. In थोड़ा सा effort लगेगा, फिर चला जाएगा.
You've been on so many sets. A few sets when you walked in and you said, wow, I can actually feel what the film is about.
Veer Zara Chhawa, 2 films. The sets were amazing and I could see the story unfold right in front of me just entering the set. When I was, my first day on Chhawa sets, and my director Lakshman Utekar took me to the set, he said, this is your palace. I was like, wow. And inevitably my hand went like that and I touched the floor. Those feelings you can't express कि क्या feel हुआ, but you felt like a queen. You felt of that era. You belonged immediately.
What's Vicky Kaushal like?
Lovely. One of the finest. Inside out.
Masti?
Lots of masti, but lots of hard work.
Have you played pranks on people?
Yes.
Can you share?
I play pranks all the time.
So any one of the actors, your co-stars.
Yeah, once I did on Shreyas. I changed my voice and I called him down in the hotel lobby. We were shooting an outdoor. And I turned my voice into a male voice and I said, मैं अपनी वाइफ के साथ आया हूँ और मुझे आपका ऑटोग्राफ चाहिए. हम बड़ी दूर से आए हैं. He said, I'm very tired. And we said, please, ज़रा 2 मिनट के लिए आ जाएं आप. So, and I went down in the lobby and I saw the poor guy just came and looked for this couple who has come to. There was no couple there. And then at the dinner table, I'm telling him it was me. He said, no way. I said, no, that was me. But again, that broke the ice. And he's quite, what do you say? He's good. He's sweet.
Talking about, I want to know a little bit about your love for cinema. I've read that you really love the classics, the older films. Which is the one film जो आप बार-बार देख के थक नहीं जाती?
मुगले आज़म बहुत बार देख ली और बहुत सुंदर लगती है. और of course the other black and white movies. I love Mr. and Mrs. 55 very much. I love Guide. ये classics हैं जो प्यासा मैंने अभी दोबारा देखी और बचपन में देखी थी तो मुझे बहुत I was sad when I saw it. I was like, it's a sad film, but now I was like, oh my God, it is so amazing. Surely. And yeah, I've seen Chupke Chupke about 40 times.
So talking about Chupke Chupke and also the fact that you love Hindi songs, can you sing one for us?
No, I can't sing at all.
Yes, you can. अगर अंताक्षरी होती तो आपकी टीम जीत जाती.
वो मैं गाने बता सकती हूँ, गा नहीं सकती.
लेकिन आपने तो डाली थी दिल तड़प तड़प.
कहाँ?
डाली थी आपने ना इंस्टाग्राम में आपके भाई के साथ.
वो मेरा भाई जब गाता है तो मैं उसके साथ कोरस में कॉन्फिडेंस में गा लेती हूँ.
बिल्कुल नहीं गाएंगे आप?
नहीं, प्लीज
ओके, देन आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले अ गेम विद यू.
प्लीज डू.
एक गाना, this it's nice to know that you get up and dance all the time, but the one song if it plays that you will dance, कुछ भी हो आप उठ के नाचोगे.
I see. This is what happens to me. जहाँ तेरी ये नजर है.
I love that song too. They're so good in it, no?
Yeah. I mean, the whole play that's happening is so fun.
I was going to actually say your favorite dialogue, but I like you know this one that you said. आपके लिए तो बहुत आसान होगा. When people tell you that it'll be easy for you to play a character.
Yeah.
You said something like that, right?
Yeah.
है ना, आपके लिए बहुत. So if you have to say it in different moods, मैं आपको मूड दूंगी, आप वही लाइन को वो मूड के हिसाब से बोलिएगा.
पर मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, जब तक मैं प्रॉपर सेट पे ना हूं ना मेरे से होता नहीं है.
प्लीज ट्राई.
I'll try.
ओके. हैप्पी.
तो मुझे बोलना क्या है? लाइन तो दो.
वही तो.
लाइन तो
आपसे
बताओ.
तो आप, ये बहुत आसान है, आपसे तो हो ही जाएगा.
ये तो बहुत आसान है, आपसे तो हो ही जाएगा.
सैड.
ये तो बहुत आसान है, आपसे तो हो ही जाएगा.
अगर आप फ्लर्ट कर रहे हो किसी से,
तो बहुत आसान है, आपसे तो हो ही जाएगा.
एंग्री.
अब वो नहीं होगा. You're too sweet to be angry with.
बोर्ड.
ये तो बहुत आसान है, आपसे तो हो ही जाएगा.
सस्पिशियस.
ये तो बहुत आसान है, आपसे तो हो ही जाएगा.
वरिड.
ये तो बहुत आसान है, आपसे तो हो ही जाएगा.
शॉक्ड.
बस करो सानी, बस करो माँ, थोड़ा मुझे काम पे भी ये एक्टिंग करने दो.
ओके, लास्ट वन. व्हेन यू आर शेयरिंग अ जूसी सीक्रेट
Then what happens?
and you want to pass it, you want them to pass it on.
ये तो बहुत आसान है, आपसे तो हो ही जाएगा.
You've been amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I just wish you would sing. Can we switch off the camera then you'll sing
अरे
song?
नो रे बाबा,
बंद कर देना कैमरा
नहीं,
इसको.
मुझसे गाना भी सुबह में गाया भी नहीं जाएगा.
सुबह थोड़ी, अभी दोपहर है.
मेरी तो सुबह है.
You made me laugh so much. I got tears in my eyes.